Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can create a Gmail account on your iPhone. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to open a Safari browser. For any iPhone, Safari browser is common. So I am going to open the Safari browser and then it will be opened like this. Then at first we need to go gmail.com. We have to type gmail.com, and once you type gmail.com, then we have to press the go button. Once I press the go button, then we see like this type of screen. So we just need to create an account, right? So what we need to do, we just need to tap create an account there. We don't need to press the sign in button. So I'm going to press create an account and it will give us two options, for my personal use and for my work or business. If you have work or business, then you can use the last option. Otherwise, for personal account, choose the first option. I'm going to choose a personal account for my Gmail. So I'm going to tap over there, and once I tap it, it is asking first name, last name, and next button. First name is mandatory, but last name is optional. So I'm going to type my first name as like Few, and last name is Steps. And once I type first name and last name, again I'm telling you last name is optional. You can remove those things if you are not interested. Then press the next button, and then it will ask us like enter your birthday and gender. So once you type the first once you initialize the date of birth and gender, then you have to press the next button. And once you type it, it will ask us like what type of Gmail you want to suggest. So it is suggesting like couple of emails like Fewsteps 61, Few1 something, but I am not interested to any of this email. Rather, I am going to build my own email address. So I'm going to choose the last option, which is create your own Gmail account address. So I just tap it over there, and it will bring a text box where the cursor or mouse will be blinking. Over there we need to type our Gmail address, basically whichever we want. So I'm going to type hello few steps. So I'm going to type my Gmail address is like this, but it is taking some space, so I'm going to fix that thing. Hello few steps. So this is the email address I'm interested to create. Hello few steps. You will choose your own preferred email address, and if this email address is unique, then you can continue. Otherwise, you need to fix this thing. So I'm going to press next button, and here it is showing that that email is valid. Basically, that's why it is asking now the password. I'm going to type the password for that Gmail account. So next time I will use this password to log in my Gmail account. So I just typed my password, and also in the confirm box I also typed the same password 2 times. Basically, I typed the same password, and then I'm going to press the next button or tap the next button. Then it is asking like recovery email address. I'm not going to type any recovery email address at this time, so I'm going to press skip button, and then it will show like this, review your account information. You can use this information when you need to sign in. So this is my email address and this is my recovery phone number. We can remove this phone number, or we can change this phone number later, but for the time being that is fine. And then I'm going to press next button. I just press next button, and here it is showing privacy and terms. We need to scroll down at the bottom, and here we have to press the I agree this button. That means you need to tap over there. I'm going to tap I agree, and it is asking confirm personalization. That is fine. Confirm. We need to press confirm button. Once we press the confirm button, very shortly we'll see our Gmail inbox will be there. So here it is loading. Here now it is showing like this is my Gmail inbox basically, and here if you tap it here, basically it will show everything like inbox, start, send mail, something like that. So right now there is no email, that's why it is inbox is empty. If we want to create an email, we can press this pencil icon which is called compose. I'm going to tap it, and it will open like two. Suppose I want to send one email like few steps dot email at gmail then .com. So here I typed on email address fewsteps.email at gmail.com. This is my official email address, so I'm going to, official means for my YouTube channel, this is my email address, so I just typed over there, and then I'm going to type a test message like test message. to check whether it is sending or not. So once you type the test message, message box, then I'm going to tap the send button, and here you see that inside this hamburger menu, if you tap it over there, send email, you'll find like this email is there. So this email I just sent it, and if I want to check this email, I can check from my email. So that's it, guys. In this way we can easily like sign up a Gmail account and also send or receive email to our account. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question or if you face any problem, please put in the comment section. Thank you again for watching the video.